now after loading of the filament, what we can do is we can start with our first print. But one last thing that we have to keep in our mind before starting our print is that our belt should not be loose. Right? So what we are seeing right now is the top view of our machine. Right? So this is the belt available which you will see from the top of your machine. So now what you are seeing is by loose hand, this belt is being stretched at the end of this hold. So to ensure that this should not happen, this should stretch only this much by the loose hands. What happens actually during the shipment of the machine, almost every time this belt gets loosed. So if we start our prints with the loose belt, it can cause the deformation in the geometry, or sometimes it can cause the slip of the print as well. So before starting our first print, please tighten this belt. Now the procedure by which we will tighten this belt is this, that what we are seeing right now, here it is a screw. So we'll open this screw using the Allen key of 3 mm, which is this Allen key. So this is the Allen key of 3 mm by which we'll open the screw and we'll tighten the belt. Right? So we'll use this Allen key here in this screw. And we'll loose and open this screw from here. Now using this Allen key of 3 mm, we have opened this screw. Now what we'll do is just we'll hold this belt, right? We'll hold this belt right from here, right? And we'll pull this belt in upward directions. Now it will easily comes out. Now after pulling out the belt from the hole, what we are seeing, we have a screw here, and on the both sides of the screw we have the belts. Now one is the larger one and the other is the shorter one. Now we will move the belt in the shorter one direction, like we have teeth available on the belt. We will increase the number of teeth on the shorter end. So we will move it in this direction. Alright, so by moving it in this direction, we have increased the number of teeth in the shorter end. Right? Now after increasing the teeth in the shorter end, what we will do is we will insert this belt again into the hole by this. And one thing that you have to keep in mind while inserting this, there you should put some force to stretch it. Right? It should not be easily done. Right? The belt will ask for some force. Only then it will be fastened or it will be tied. Now we have inserted the belt into the hole. So in the similar manner it will look like it was earlier, but now it is tight. It is more tight than it was earlier. Right? Now if we see, now by using loose hands, this belt is not stretching too much, right? So now this belt is tight and there will be no deformation or slip in our print. And one last thing that you have to keep in mind while tightening the belt is that the belt should be on all the pulleys. It should not be removed from any pulleys. We have 8 pulleys available inside the machines. And while tightening of the belt, please ensure that belt is on all the pulleys. Right? So in this way, we will tighten the belt.